Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and healthy at home. So, again, I, Dipti Jain, is here to give you some good and easy tips that how you can fill up the empty walls with beautiful wall decorations idea. So, let's start. First of all, we need a square cardboard of 20 centimeter. Like this, we need 4 cardboards, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then we need to paint from one side. I have already painted for you because it takes a lot time to dry. And also we need one circle cut out, and that also to be painted black. Yes, now you have to place it all like this, 4 together. And on one part we are going to draw a peacock. You can bring it short. Simple peacock. Now take a foil paper. You have to cut it. See that it doesn't get crumbled too much. And then you have to fan fold it. The feathers of the peacock. At least you should take 7 to 8 feathers. See, these all are getting cutted out together only. So we have got here 4 to 5 feathers. Now again we need 3 different sizes. The bigger size, this the smaller size, and this is the medium size. So we need 3 different sizes, bigger, medium and the smaller one. At least 7 of each. Now take a Fevicol and apply it on the dull side of the foil paper and start pasting it one by one. First take the bigger ones and you have to fill up the whole space here on the 3 parts of the cardboard like this. Yes, now you can see that how I have pasted it. Okay, around it all, on all the 3 parts you have to cover up with these foil leaves. And now of the peacock. Before peacock, first you have to cut the parts which are coming half off on both the sides. Now I have cutted it from the center, and now these are the 4 parts. Okay, these were joined first like this. Now for the peacock, what we have to do, only just yes, you can see I have pasted all these beads. Okay, and on these corners also of the feathers I have pasted. Now I am going to draw the eyes with the few what you call the white. Like this, all these 4 parts are completed. Now we have to take the circle I am taking glue gun. You can paste it with Fevicol also. You have to leave the space in between. If you don't have glue gun, you can paste it with Fevicol, but you need to wait till it dry. And your beautiful wall decoration is completed. Now for the hangings, only you need to take a small thread, any type of thread you can take, and just apply Fevicol or glue gun, and you can turn it back and you can paste it here. Yes, as you can see, I have placed it on the wall, and see how beautiful it looks. So your wall decoration idea is completed. See you soon again with some different techniques and ideas. Bye bye. Have a nice day.